I'll haul ass.
Always ask a homie, is my camera on?
Boy, getting some goddamn track side adjustments. Motherfucking shifty here and there behind. That boy trying to goddamn smash us, guys.
Vlogger tip number 1. Always ask a homie, is my camera on?
Oh my god, oh my god. God damn. Yeah, man, so we feeling good little first ride. Saw the hanging on. I almost just did a nasty one. Thank God he with me today. Why they keep spiking that motherfucker? I got a big can there. Get the bike, get the bike. Damn. You good? Good, yes sir. What happened? I don't know, just went out course. I'm glad I had these boots on, boy. I been would've crushed my shit. I did 8 shit. Yeah.
Y'all ready to wrap it up? Or y'all want to finish this trail?
Stop it. Get some help.
Let's finish that bit. Too blessed though, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, you almost just went, bruh. I just told that man. He said, bruh, it's a jump. I said, nigga, this nigga almost just went smack into a tree, bruh. That last little jump on the end, that's it, fine. God damn. About to hit it. He about to hit it ASAP. Man, that nigga down there had a wheelie up that bit. Yeah.
This is when that boy realized that arm was still weak.
Yeah, I'm good. I got that guy right here. That bitch went back on my ass. I said, nope. Oh, yeah. This some of Wayne product right here. And I fucked around and hit right there. Brrr, jump straight up.
It used to be bad.
I went right there like a dunk.
Some little jump.
Woo. Huh? Oh, the open field, yeah. God damn. That shit was slick, boy. You feel me? That motherfucker hitting, boy. God damn. So you got to eat. Oh, yeah. Oh, right. Yes, sir.
Reporting live from It's Late at Night in my studio. But anyway, listen, what we got going on right here is called a classic case of getting roosted. Point blank period. Hey, you know when that puddle coming up in front of you, you gotta get through it, dog. Ain't no playing with it. It can wash your tire out. We ain't got time to crash. So what we got going on this replay is a classic case of that. See, what's going on is I see the puddle coming up. I hit the gas. I haul ass. I ain't mean it, dog. I'm out your way. Back to the clip. We're gonna drop it back to you, Mr. YZ, baby.
Damn! That boy just oozed me. Yes, thirsty. That motherfucker was rich. Oh, I got you. Oh, shit, my bad, bro. Damn. I done caught my boy roof. They caught my boy leaking with the roof. Hey, you ain't none of my camera, right? Yeah, you good. Nigga got the limbo tree. Oh yeah, Wayne tire is definitely wider. You see mine? Me and yours might be like the same. There might be a secret location.
Huh?
Secret locations.
We just hiding from them. From the people if they looking for us.
Oh.
Type shit.
Fat.
Where them boys at, man? Boys
Fat.
out there struggling, man. You want the bit back? I gotta get used to it.
I said, YB, your shit eating, bro.
This bitch is gripping.
That bitch
This
spanking.
bitch grip way crazier than my bike, man.
Man, I feel more secured on this.
Come on, keep rolling that bit. That bitch got good grip on the tire, man. He's scared.
You gonna get it.
Yeah,
My boy came up them quiet that bit 250 motherfucker.
I ain't gonna lie about it. I'm scared as hell.
Where the fuck they at?
God damn,
Bro, I was
God.
trying to tell you when we was doing the racing and I come out the clutch, it was just like, then that bitch just,
Cause you don't know how to get in your band yet. You still got
that bit
line.
was just weird as hell.
You gotta play with that bit like this here.
All the way in the back, then that bit was just like the amount of power that bit was just giving me.
Hit
I
it.
said, what the
Hit it.
fuck?
We
That
gotta
bitch
go
is
back, bro.
weird.
Yeah.
What the fuck happened? Let's go back.
Who's on? He on that 1-2 fever. Man. 1-2, if I ain't taking over this goddamn song, I'm gonna go get you one. That boy YB back there got one. You did? Big KTM, big orange. OJ the Jew, man. Woo. Yeah, I ain't got back here before.
Alright guys, and just like that, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video right here, man. You know what I'm saying? It's getting wild, it's getting rough, and I'm about tired, you dig? But anyway, man, I want to thank you for subbing, for liking, for subscribing. You know what's going on, man. We're on that road to 10K. Shout out all y'all, man. I love all y'all for real. 125, baby, I'm out, man. You know what to do, man. All right. See you on the next one. Out of here.